besides all of this, as far as the decision that has been taken by Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, how the BJP is reacting to that, let's play that out for our viewers, because this time around the BJP is questioning, exactly hitting out to the Congress and saying that why is Priyanka Gandhi running away? This is a post on by Amit Malviya of the BJP. Yes, Ankit, what does he say?
So even as we are coming to know that the Congress seems to have asked the permission of the IUML before making this announcement, the BJP picking up on a similar thread, asking why this decision has been taken. So Amit Malviya, Amita says, all of these years we were told that Priyanka Vadra manages Amethi and Raebareli. So when the time came, why has she been packed off to Wayanad? Why not field her from Raebareli just like KL Sharma was from Amethi? Take on the BJP and prove your resurgence in Uttar Pradesh instead of running away like a coward. So the BJP also asking this question, that for all of these years we have heard that for her mother and for her brother, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was managing their erstwhile constituencies. Now that it is her time to fight, why has she taken the decision to contest from Wayanad? Why not take up Raebareli and defend once again your mother and brother's seat and establish that you have worked there and can beat the BJP there? So there is a question that has been fielded from the BJP side as well, even as this controversy over whether the Congress has to take permission and why it needs to take permission from someone like the IUML continues to hang out there somewhere.
All right. As far as even when it comes to Rahul Gandhi, by the time when he was taking out those Abhar Yatras, had challenged saying that had his sister Priyanka Gandhi contested from the seat of Varanasi, then she would have won handsomely. In fact, when it comes to the Congress party, Karyakartas time and again were wanting that Priyanka Gandhi also takes a political plunge. And as far as the Congress party bastions that are concerned, when it comes to Amethi and Raebareli, both brother and sister represent from that side. But Nyamika, the point being IUML here, because does it play a big factor? Because Rahul Gandhi has decided to retain Raebareli. Meanwhile, Priyanka Gandhi is heading south.